Let's go. Mom, look, I'm this.
Yeah, it's your toy.
Look at green Lucky's bag. Bumblebee and Optimus.
Pakitingin. That's it?
Yeah. Hi, and I'm Sam, and finally, I have Defender 7 Beast Wars. It's my prize from Daddy. We will build it. Bye-bye. See you later. Box number 1. Cliff jumper! Box number 2. Leo Prime! Box number 3. Tiger Storm! Number
Let me see. Leo Prime!
Yeah. 5. Number 6. Megatron yun.
Let me see. Magmatron!
Magmatron!
This one!
Yeah. Look, there's a Megatron T-Rex head too.
Yay!
Box number 7. SD Greenland! Box number 8. Ratchet! Number 9. 10?
9.
9. Look, Nemesis Prime! This is Prime Cow.
Box number.
Box number 10. The Special Galaxy Star. So cool.
Who's that?
Glittering Neck Galvatron!
Oh, wow!
Box number 10.
Again.
Box number 11. Ratchet Robot!
Yeah!
At last but not least, I box number 12. Snarl!
No, that's sludge.
Sludge.
Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus. Which one was the nemesis?